Two of my guys are going to the Mohawk training.
Okay, yes.
September and October.
Yeah. So exactly. So one thing I did want to bring up is that at AIA Canada, we offer free training, EV upskilling as well. There's another course about ADAS as well. And this is free thanks to the Ontario government. And it's being provided for at a few colleges. And for us, it really is about, listen, we have lots of members and lots of other people who do training, right? Lots of people provide training. For us, first of all, I'm thinking, listen, if government's giving away money, like we're gonna take some of this, right?
Let's get it for sure. That's a great idea.
So that for sure, I'm there. And then the other thing too, I think, is that training doesn't end with one course. Right. No. So for all of my members out there who have their own training, who offer up their own, whether it's CarQuest or Napa or any of those guys, the training is great. The training is an ongoing thing, right? And so for us, it is about helping the shop owners and technicians find a feasible way to get to training. For some of them that find that cost is an issue, okay, well, we have this solution for you. AIA Canada also has an EV app that we are going to be launching soon. The EV app, now, let's just be real. Virtual training does not replace hands-on training.
No, not at all.
Okay. At the same time, it makes it more accessible. Okay.
Sure.
And it's still better than no training. And it's still honestly better than people watching YouTube videos. Like I say, not a knock on YouTube videos, but sometimes I just see people watch them. They're like, oh, well then, this is how I do. Okay. But hey, listen, it's not quite like that. So
there's doing it and then there's the right way to do it.
Right. Exactly.
Yeah.